What is going on? This is Joan with Sharp Tech, and I'm back again with another review. I've got some Riwbox in this box. So I'd like to give you a little disclaimer. Riwbox reached out to me and sent this pair of headphones out so that I could review, and let's unbox them. Riwbox foldable wireless headphones, volume control and mic. Okay. According to the box, it's got long standby up to 180 hours. Memory foam cushion, softer than a baby's skin. That's interesting. Transmission distance is from 10 to 15 meters. It's got a 3.5 millimeter jack cable. You can keep this cable connected even when the battery runs out. It does have an indicator light. The blue and green light flash alternately. And TF card mode. It also has a protein ear pad, comfortable design, sound isolation, and a wireless connection. Okay, let's pop these open. All right, awesome. We'll look at the cords first. It's a braided 3.5 millimeter TRS to TRRS micro USB. So we got the paperwork, got a warranty card. Cool. And the manual. This is a faux leather pouch. This is quality right here. Mind you, these retail on Amazon for $24.99. So I'm already impressed with the look, at least, of the materials. The quality remains to be seen, but it's really professionally packaged. I like it so far. Okay. That's tight. This is rubber. So if you choose the white variety, just be aware you're probably going to want to make sure you keep that clean. Volume rocker, skip track, play pause, answer calls. This is on the left side. You've got your port for your auxiliary cord and your USB charging port. Also, you can get your own TF card to store music on. So even if you don't have a connection, you can still hear your tunes. That's pretty neat. Out of the box, I just had to stop the review. I had an inkling though, if I burned them in for a little while, and experts disagree as to whether burning in is even a thing. I say it's a thing. After I burned them in for a couple of days, probably off and on for about 25 hours. They're not a high-end set of headphones, so I didn't think they needed to be burned in for 40 hours. After I did that, they loosened up and they sounded wonderful. The highs are bright, the mids and the vocals, they come through plain and clear, they sound good, and the bass is booming. Now if you're gonna listen to some Kendrick Lamar, some Khalid, with some smooth, boomy bass, they're gonna blow your mind. If you're gonna listen to some Dr. Dre featuring Eminem, forgot about Dre, please be advised, they will beat your ears. So I can't listen to them at max volume. Although sometimes I get headphones and I wish they were louder. These are those headphones. Once I turned it down to about 75 or 80%, that did it. Soundstage, pretty good. The music didn't sound crowded, had good separation of instruments. Again, I'm very impressed. The link is in the description. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so that you can catch all of my cutting edge reviews. It's been real. Peace.